What's up, everybody? It's Mardi Gras today. Look, I got my Mardi Gras mask on for y'all. That mean I'm about to make something doing with Mardi Gras. About to make a king cake. And I'm gonna fill it with elderberry cream cheese. Okay, let's get this started. Look, I got me a half a cup. I got me a half a cup of warm water in there, lukewarm. Don't want it too hot because you don't want to kill your yeast. Okay, now in there I'm about to put 2 packs of active dry yeast. Let me see, can I get it in there, y'all? 2 packs of instant dry yeast. Put that in there. And we're going to put about a teaspoon of sugar. Let me show them in the bowl. There we go. Teaspoon of sugar. All right. So we're about to stir this up. And about in 10 minutes, this should be good and frosty. And let's go to the stove and get this milk and sugar and butter and cream cheese together. All right. Happy Mardi Gras, y'all. All right, over to the stove and over to my pot. I got my heat on medium high. I'm about to put in 1 stick of butter. All right, 1 stick of butter. I'm gonna let that melt. Be right back. All right, butter has melted. Let's add in 8 ounces of cream cheese. Come on. 8 ounces of cream cheese. Y'all, this is the Cajun Ninja recipe that I'm doing. All right. Okay, got that melted. Now let's add in 1 cup of whole milk. Okay, 1 cup of whole milk. I'm gonna look and see if I'm in the pot. Yeah, I'm in the pot. 1 cup of whole milk. Alright, as that finished heating, let's add in our half a tablespoon of salt. And let's add in our half a cup of sugar. Alright, let's spoon in. Let's stir this in. Alright, I turned the fire off. I'm about to take it off the stove and let it cool. Alright, while the mixture is cooling and the yeast is activating, this is 6 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm about to grate in a fresh, what that's called? Fresh nutmeg. So, I have to go like that. Fresh nutmeg. Just spray it in yourself. They're gonna put a little nutmeg flavor in your bread. You just need a little nutmeg because just a little bit go a long ways. All right, let me grate this in. See there? Look, the yeast. That's how you know it's activated, baby. That's good yeast right there. All right, here go my mixing bowl because I'm gonna do this with my stand mixer. So now I can put the mixture in the bowl. All right, y'all, and let's add that yeast mixture to it. All right. Now let's put it under the mixer. All right, y'all, it's all in the bowl. Let's put the stand mixer down and let's put it on low speed. Alright, y'all, let's add in the 2 eggs. Okay, 2 eggs. Turn it back on. Change to my dough hooks, y'all see? Change to my dough hooks. Let me let it down again. Now I'm about to add the 6 cups of flour. right, y'all, look. My mixer has finished mixing it. See there, then pull away. Now I got a flour surface right here. About to turn it over on there. There we go. And we're going to knead this for about, I'm not going to give it a time. I'll say about 6 to 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes. And we're going to knead it till, see that? So we're going to go like this. Gonna go like that. Don't have much kneading to do since the mixer did majority of it. Hope y'all can see me. Kneading it. It's a very elastic dough. See that? Look at that. It's good dough. And I'm gonna finish kneading this for about 5 minutes. Be right back. Alright, y'all, I've been kneading for about 5 minutes, and this is it. Now, this recipe makes two king cakes, but I'm only going to make one. I'll freeze the rest of it, and there we go. There go your dough. Alright, I got my pan right here, all up, and this is going to double in size. So I'm going to put it down like this, so you put it down. Then you take it, and you take it and you flip it again like that. Alright. About to put this and let this rise for about 2 hours in the oven with the light on. See y'all in 2 hours. Bye. Oh, and I still got my mask on, y'all. Look. Still got my mask on. I'm not taking it off. Happy Mardi Gras. Alright, here go our cinnamon mixture, y'all. This is 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and 1/3 cup of white sugar. So we're gonna combine that, and that's what's gonna go also inside of our king cake. Y'all see that? Y'all see that there? All right, y'all. Let's make the cream cheese filling. This is 8 ounces of cream cheese. So I'm going to cream this up right quick. Okay, cream cheese whipped up. Let's add some teaspoons of elderberry jelly. This is fresh elderberry jelly that I made during the summertime. So I'm going to put 1. Let's put 2. Let's put 2 for now. Let's put 2 for now and blend that in. Alright, end up putting about 6 teaspoons in there. Now let's put 2 cups of let me move this mix out the way. Let's put about 2 cups of powdered sugar. This one. Okay, that's 2. Let's get this started. Put it on slow so this sugar won't go everywhere. There you go, y'all. Elderberry cream cheese filling. This was gonna go inside the king cake. Yeah. All right, and it tastes yummy. Okay, it's been 2 hours, and let's see here. Been 2 hours, and look at the dough. Look at the dough. The dough has doubled in size. Y'all see that? It smells good. I smell the nutmeg in there. So I'm about to take my hand. I'm about to punch it down. See, it's going down. Punch it down. All right, punch it down. Now I got my surface right here floured. I'm about to take it and throw it on there. Come on. There we go. There go the dough. There we go. All right. Be right back because we got to cut it in half. All right. Let's cut it in half. And we're going to have to roll this dough like 12 by 24 inches. So 24 inches. 24 inches long and 12 wide. Let's see, make sure. Okay, make sure they're about equal. So I'm gonna work with this piece right here. Yeah, work with this piece right here. Put the other piece up for later. All right, let's roll it out. Okay, there go my dough. I got in a rectangle, 24 inches long. As you see, my tape measure. See, I got my finger right there on 24 inches long. And 12 inches. 12 inches. Go right there. Go right there. Well, a little over 12 inches because this dough is steady shrinking, so that's close enough. All right, let's roll this baby. All right, got the melted butter. And we're gonna paste this down with melted butter. The butter spread it out on there. Let's put on the cinnamon mixture. Sprinkle it all over there. Okay, y'all see I got all the cinnamon sugar mixture on there. Now I'm about to put the cream cheese on here and roll it, baby. Roll it. Rolling on the river. See at the end right there, I have put a line of cream cheese. So I'm about to take it and roll it towards me. And every about 1 or 2 rolls, I'm going to put some more cream cheese down until I roll it all the way up. All right. Since I can't hold the phone and do this part, let me roll it. All right, show y'all the finishing product. Okay, y'all see I got the whole thing rolled. Look, I got it rolled. Now I have to pinch it and tuck it. All right, so let me pinch it and tuck it. Then my next job gonna be to get it on the pan. All right, y'all, got me a big piece of pan. I sprayed it and I have parchment paper on it. So now I have to, this is my roll. See, I didn't close the seam, so the seam is right here. This part got the seam side, let me see my camera on. Seam has to go down. So I gotta take it, roll it on this pan, then connect it into a circle. All right, let me roll it on here. Be right back. There you go, y'all. I got it on the pan. Y'all see where I connected it at? It's right there. Connected it right there. And now I'm about to put it back in the oven and let it rise for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then we're going to bake it. And that will be our cream elderberry cream cheese king cake. And we'll put some colors on it and put a glaze on top. All right, there we go. Like a big donut, huh? All right, there we go, y'all. See you in a few minutes. Happy Mardi Gras. I'm still here. My mask is still on. Okay, it has rolls. See, there go the second. Now what we're about to do is, I got my oven set at 350, and I'm about to take the butter and just put some melted butter on it, and we're going to bake this for about 30 minutes. All right, let me paint this butter on here. Ain't it gonna be pretty? Look at that, look at that. Fully covered with the butter. Hope I'm on it. Yeah, I see it. All right. My oven set at 350. And there we go. See you in 30 minutes, buddy. Took it out the oven. Been in for 30 minutes. Look how pretty and brown. Now we're about to paint it again with some butter. Oh yeah, baby. It's butter time. Be right back. Oh, this smells so good. Oh, mercy, Jesus. For the glaze, we got 1 cup of powdered sugar. We're gonna squeeze some fresh lemon juice in it like that. Fresh lemon juice. And a little milk. Alright, let's stir this up. Be right back. Now there go my glaze. And here go my, what you call, I'm about to put the glaze on there, then I'm about to put the colors on there. And y'all will see the finale. Alright, bye. Alright, y'all, look at that. There go my king cake. I didn't have purple, so I had to use red. Hell, my ass blind, I can't see anyway. But I know I have red, green, and yellow. So yeah, so the red gonna substitute for the purple today. So there you go. About to cut it open out the wall, y'all. We're gonna see what it tastes like with the cream cheese inside. Look at that, look at that. Happy Mardi Gras! Alright, y'all. Y'all see my Mardi Gras mask on? Hey, hey. Okay. About to cut this king cake and taste it. Yeah, buddy. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look it. Y'all see that? Nah. Oh yeah, baby. Baby, this tastes better than store-bought. Oh my God. Well, I can take my mask off now. I can. Da-da! This is good, y'all. All right. So this recipe came from the Cajun Ninja. Except he didn't fill his with anything. And I wanted cream cheese in mine. Oh yeah. All right. Y'all seen me make it. Go make y'all some. Got some work involved into it though. Bye. Happy Mardi Gras, everybody. Bye.